Tua and Taha, linking learning with fun.
Let's learn present versus past simple to advanced sentences.
I go to school. I went to school. I am doing my homework. I was doing my homework. I have finished my lunch. I had finished my lunch. I can swim very well. I could swim very well. She is reading a storybook. She was reading a storybook. We play in the park. We played in the park. They have completed the project. They had completed the project. I am watching television. I was watching television. You should drink more water. You should have drunk more water. I eat an apple. I ate an apple. I am learning English. I was learning English. I cleaned my room.
I cleaned my room.
I have completed my work.
I had completed my work.
I am reading a newspaper. I was reading a newspaper. I write in my notebook. I wrote in my notebook. I can play the piano. I could play the piano. I help my mother. I helped my mother. I am drawing a picture. I was drawing a picture. I drink milk every morning. I drank milk every morning. I am opening my bag. I was opening my bag. I wash my hands before eating. I washed my hands before eating. I have learned a new word. I had learned a new word. I am talking to my teacher. I was talking to my teacher. I play with my friends. I played with my friends. I have cleaned my table. I had cleaned my table. I read storybooks.
I read storybooks yesterday.
I am watering the plants.
I was watering the plants.
I open my notebook.
I opened my notebook.
I am learning grammar.
I was learning grammar.
I eat breakfast early.
I ate breakfast early.
I have completed my drawing.
I had completed my drawing.
I am packing my school bag.
I was packing my school bag.
I sing songs at school.
I sang songs at school.
I have written my homework.
I had written my homework.
I drink orange juice.
I drank orange juice.
I am watching the teacher.
I was watching the teacher.
I draw pictures neatly.
I drew pictures neatly.
I have cleaned my shoes.
I had cleaned my shoes.
I am carrying my water bottle.
I was carrying my water bottle.
I write with a blue pen.
I wrote with a blue pen.
I have learned a poem.
I had learned a poem.
I play badminton after school. I played badminton after school. I am arranging my books. I was arranging my books. I helped my father at home. I helped my father at home. I have packed my lunch box. I had packed my lunch box.
Dua and Taha, linking learning with fun.